If you find yourself picking up little diamonds all over the house from your diamond art painting, this storage box is going to be a total game changer. My name is Kate with WTI, and I absolutely love this diamond art storage from Forever Young. Now it comes in a really nice sturdy box with a lid, so that makes it easy for storage or to bring around with you. I have the purple box, but I know it also does come in pink. I keep it stacked inside of itself most of the time so that I have access to all of these nice containers. Now this comes with a labeling system, and it's the DMC color coding. So that means it's universal. It'll work with every single diamond art painting you ever get. So you can cut open those awful packages, pour them into the containers. They have a really good seal, so they're not going to be opening up and flying everywhere. And each little container has its own grooves, so you can use each of these individually as their own tray. They have a super generous capacity, and you can do all sorts of colors, several projects, you'll be all set. I think this is such a genius idea, and it's made a huge difference in my hobby, and that's my point of view.